What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. This is a great place for Uber and Lyft drivers to learn how to make more money. And this just came across my desk today. There's a brand new app that is paying Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, DoorDash, Instacart, any gig app company that you work for, Amazon Flex. They are paying drivers to sign up for their service. I just looked up this company and holy smokes, they have over according to Crunchbase, over $100 million in funding. And I think they're doing this one-time offer. So if you sign up with my link, they gave me a unique link, and you will get $5 just to get a free membership. And then you also get $20 to get a free quote. And you can get a free quote at, if you are in Pennsylvania, Florida, Texas, Georgia, Tennessee, Delaware, Illinois, Nevada, or Maryland. And you can get a free buckle membership anywhere in the country. So $5 if you're anywhere in the country, $20 if you're in those select states. It is a basically a finance company for gig workers, and I believe now they just started a car insurance platform. So they're giving ride share insurance to gig workers only. So check those links out down below. Wanted to give you guys this quick detail. Check it out for yourself. They seem pretty legit. And yeah, take care now. Bye.